Hello everybody, this is Speaker Boatman. Today I'm going to be testing this creative sub right in front of you. It has a 5 1/4 inch subwoofer at the bottom, and also it has a big bass port here. Actually, this is not a small one, it's a pretty damn sized one. Check out that woofer, it looks really nice. And it's not vintage, but it's kind of yellow. I don't know why, but because it's been through the sun and tanned this little speaker out. It's a really nice speaker, but yeah, we're gonna test it today. And the song we're gonna be using is Bistronic Space I Love You. Sorry about the distortion. It's because of my iPad camera is kind of crappy. Alright, so that's some great bass coming out from my nice creative speaker, and hope you enjoyed this video because it's really noisy outside, and it's really nice. The creative speaker actually has a lot of bass. The 5 1/4 inch is pretty amazing for the size already. So, yep, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time.